Hello everybody, Mr. Odom here, and we are going to work out problems 23, 24, 25, and 26 from section 6.4. Make sure you have your pencil, composition book, or notebook paper, and a calculator. And the learning target for this video is I can use the percent equation to solve percent word problems. This is not an art history class, it's a math class, but this picture is the founding fathers, and they're signing the Declaration of Independence. So the picture goes with the problem here. There were N signers, I'll probably need to highlight some stuff, N signers of the Declaration of Independence. The youngest was Edward Rutledge, who was X years old, so that's his age. The oldest was Benjamin Franklin, who was Y years old, all right? So N signers, the youngest was X years old, the oldest was Y years old, okay? So let's look at these problems. The first one, number 23, says what? X is 25% of 104. What was Rutledge's age? Okay, so we can do that. That's pretty straightforward. We use this formula, the percent equation, and it says X is, so this must be my part. There's my percent, there's my whole. So A equals 25% is 0.25 times 104. And so Rutledge's age, which we said is X, so maybe I'll just use X for this, is 0.25 times 104. He was 26 years old. Okay. And maybe I'll just change all these to exit. Well, that's not my eraser. It's supposed to be. Boom, boom. There we go. We got it now. All right. Okay. So there's Rutledge. What does 24 say? It says 7 is 10% of Y. Okay. So 7 must be the part. There's my percent. That's my whole. So here's my formula. A equals P times W. So I have 7 is 10%, 0.1 times Y, because Y is the whole. We need to figure that out. So let's divide both sides by 0.1 and 0.1. You could probably make a really good guess as to how old Ben Franklin was. 7 divided by 1 is 7, so 7 divided by 0.1 is 70. All right, so we know X, we know Y, so Y, X is 26 years old, Y is 70 years old there, so it's 70, and I need to make some space here so that I can get some stuff done here. There we go. 25. Let's look at this problem. It says N is 80% of Y. Oh, we know what Y is. This isn't a trick question. All right, so we can figure it out, though, using the percent equation. And it's N represents the part. So it's N equals 80%, 0.8, times Y, which we already know from up here, that doesn't even look like a 7, it's supposed to, is Ben Franklin's age. So that's Y, so we multiply this by 70. And so N equals 56. And what is N? Remember, N represented the number of signers. So there was 56 signers of the Declaration of Independence. And number 26, the last one, looks like we need some more room. I didn't give us enough space to work today. All right, we got some space. Y is what percent of this expression? Okay, so 26. Y represents, it's by the word is, so that's my part. What percent? That's what I'm looking for. So this must be my whole. So I have A equals the percent times the whole. And remember, A is represented by Y. And this is P times, and this is what represents the whole. All right, so my part is Y, and I already know what that is. That's 70. This is P times N was 56 plus 70, it's Ben Franklin's age, minus 26. Okay, so that part in the calculator, or that part in the calculator, that part in the parentheses, we just throw it in our calculator and we get a number and we get, oh no, what'd you get? I think I got something wrong. I do that again. 56 plus 70 minus 26 gives us 100. So 70 equals basically 100p, or 100 times p. You can divide both sides of this. I can make this one big problem here. Divide this by 100. So I can get p by itself. I have to divide this side by 100. And I get 0.70 or 0.7. So p is 70%. I like challenging problems, don't you? Anyway, we got it. We're here. We're done. We're happy. And now it's time to go. So we're all out.